What can Wi-Fi do in your imagination? Bring Jurassic Park to the classroom.
Guide me to do what I want and where I need to be in an airport.
Generate images of organs to help diagnose accurately.
Enable stores to adjust to the rapidly changing world.
Secure and customize financial services. Enable global teams to collaborate and discuss new ideas.
Make factories completely automatic. Are such dreams too much to ask from Wi-Fi? With AirEngine Wi-Fi 6, such dreams are now a reality.
AirEngine Wi-Fi 6 is developed with the world's most advanced 5G network, bringing everyone ubiquitous connectivity, automatic operations, and a seamless, integrated experience.
AirEngine Wi-Fi 6, powered by Huawei 5G.